Hi, for those of you who don't know who I am, my name is Josh, and I'm from the Good Brothers Trading Academy, and today's lesson is how we trade the news. I'm giving 5 tips on how you can find headlines to improve your trading. Now, before I get started and I give you all the tips, I want you to do me a favor. Please, we're brand new to YouTube, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so that every time we upload new content, you'll be first to be notified. Now, first and foremost, we want to look into some free products. First being one of my most favorites. It's called Tweetdeck. Now, Tweetdeck, we can put in whatever ticker we would like. You could, as far as your watch list goes, BA, Nvidia, Tesla, and you can watch the feed on here. So any news being said on this particular ticker, you should get through your feed. Now, you could also follow chat rooms or other traders and their ideas on what they think on each one of their tickers. It's a pretty easy platform to learn and to start navigating yourself through. The next is Finviz. Now, Finviz was somewhere where I really started and I really enjoyed. They have their own news feed, so you can get in the morning, you can check out the headlines on particular stocks that you're paying attention to, or just see the hot stocks that are in news. That also has a screener. The screener is a lot of fun because you can personalize and you can look for like technical patterns. They display charts for you. You can find the gappers in the morning, the gap up and down over 3 to 4%. You can build yourself a strategy using Finviz, which is really nice. They also have the maps. So the maps, what these are used for is you can kind of get some direction in the market. They show the areas or the sectors that are doing well or doing poorly. So if you're looking for a certain stock, maybe you're wanting to trade it to the long side, you'd be looking at the different types of sectors that are doing well if you're bullish or bearish in those particular trades. Okay, next up is Seeking Alpha. Seeking Alpha is pretty cool because what you do is you send them your watch list on the stocks that you're wanting to pay attention to, and they're going to write you an email every single morning with headlines out on those particular tickers. It's just up to you to open those headlines up, read it, figure out if it's news that you want to go ahead and trade, put a trade against, and then obviously matching up your technicals in the meantime. Now, Yahoo's next. Never been a big fan of Yahoo Finance. I've just never really used it that much. However, my brother has used it and he always seems to find the stocks that are in play. So I wouldn't leave Yahoo Finance out. I would give it a shot, see if it's something you really enjoy to use. He finds good stocks all the time, so I didn't want to leave it off the list. Next happens to be my favorite, but it does cost some money. I love Benzega Pro. Let's look into the technicals real quick. So for example, Tesla was trading this nice V-shaped recovery. And I talk about this pattern quite often. We get the strong move down, we get the relief bounce over, we get this consolidation pattern. And what was really neat is we happened to get a headline out on Tesla this day. And so all that I had to do was wait for Tesla to start putting in its bullish move, wait for volume to come in, and then I started buying the dip. And that's pretty much the way I like to trade the news. If I'm not first to the party, it's okay. I can still capture part of the move. I can still enjoy myself by buying the dip on the pullback. And that's what the importance is of trading news, is going, okay, we have a news catalyst. Let's call it an analyst upgrade. I think on this particular day, Elon Musk was telling us that they came up with an upgrade for one of their models. The way I see that is that's a way of investors, or the way Tesla is going to receive extra cash flow for the company. So investors might be interested in that. It gave me enough reason to at least go look at the technicals and check it out. Now, I already looked at the technicals and figured that this was a good technical pattern set up. But the way I like to trade is I like to wait for the news to come in. And so once I saw that the headline came in, which was after the open, that there was this new package for Tesla, I was bullish against the trade. I already see that the pattern set up the way I like it. Now there's a headline to spark the pattern to move. So now all I have to do is wait for the volume to come in, as I said earlier, and buy the dips on this particular trade. Benzinga has a lot of different stuff that you can go through it. You can look at the different types of products and services that they offer, newsfeed being a small portion of it. They obviously have the Squawk box. They also have scanners. And what's really nice about Benzinga is they actually really listen to the traders. If we need something and they're hearing it over and over, they're constantly making new updates and changes to their software. Now, I hope this helps you find news so you can put on trades with a little bit more confidence. Do me a favor, if you haven't, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share this video if you find this information to be useful, and I'll see you in the next video.